First, ensure your Tesla app is updated to version 4.290 or later, and your vehicle software is on V12.5 or higher. Double check that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and you've granted the Tesla app location and Bluetooth permissions. Within the app, go to Keys and toggle Phone Key Off, and then back on to reset the connection. In your Tesla's settings under Controls, then Locks, confirm Bluetooth visibility is enabled. If problems persist, try clearing the Tesla app's cache and data, or perform a factory reset of Bluetooth within the vehicle's settings. For those in colder climates, some beta versions include a BT warm-up mode that can mitigate dropouts. Remember, proximity to the car within 10 to 15 meters is crucial for reliable connection. Tesla's Bluetooth system uses Bluetooth 4.0 and higher, specifically Bluetooth Low Energy, for secure and energy-efficient communication with phone keys. Urban environments and parking garages can interfere with Bluetooth signals due to crowded Wi-Fi networks. Updating to Tesla software version 12.3 or later includes a Bluetooth interference filter to improve stability. Ensure your phone's operating system is up to date. Tesla requires iOS 18 or higher and Android 14 or higher for optimal Bluetooth pairing and stability. Disable any VPNs or battery saver modes on your phone, as these features can interfere with Bluetooth connectivity and prevent proper pairing. As a last resort, contact Tesla support for assistance. Older Model S and Model X vehicles sometimes have unique Bluetooth module issues that require specialized fixes. Tesla is moving towards fully digital key ecosystems. Future updates will include AI-driven diagnostics in version 13 software for proactive Bluetooth issue resolution, with 5G integrated Bluetooth potentially eliminating Wi-Fi dependencies.